In this video, we're going to switch between radical and rational exponent form. It says express the following with rational exponents. Now, first of all, I have a 7th power, and I have a 5th root. So let's talk about how we can write even square root of x, cube root of x, 4th root of x, and 5th root of x. So the square root of x can be written as x to the 1/2 power because this is technically a 2 written there. This can be written as x to the 1/3 power. This can be written as x to the 1/4 power. And this can be written as x to the 1/5 power. So you can see that we get fractional exponents anytime we have these 5th roots or 4th roots. Now what happens if we have the 4th root of x cubed? What does that look like? Well, that just changes the numerator in the fraction. I still have the 1/4, so it's like x with a 4 on the bottom, right? But on top I have 3/4. So anytime I have that power in there, the top number, the numerator in the fraction, represents your exponent, or like your multiplication, and the denominator represents your rooting piece. So we go to this problem here, and I have 11 over 5th root of t to the 7. I can immediately write that as 11 over t. Remember, this is the numerator, this is the denominator, so numerator and denominator. We end up with t to the 7/5. But because it's in the denominator, they want it to be written in the numerator. We're going to write that as 11t to the -7/5. We're going to write it as a negative exponent, just because they want us to have rational exponents and no fraction. So sticking with this, do a second problem here. We've got 14 y to the 10/7. They want this in radical form. So the 14's on the outside has nothing to do with the inside. But remember, this is your root, and this is the power. So we're going to write this as 14 and the 7th root of y to the 10th. And now we have that in radical form. And so we're just identifying the root and the power when we're going to radical form, and when we're going to rational exponent form, we're identifying numerator denominator.